Hey guys, welcome back to MATHit School. Today I'm going to show you how to perform operations with numbers that has scientific notations. So if I were to divide this number that's expressed in scientific notation with another number that's expressed as scientific notation and then square it, what will I get? Well, if you know already how to solve this question in a correct manner and fashion, then go ahead, pause this video, solve it yourself, and put your answers in the comment section down below, because I'm gonna show you how to solve this and reveal the correct answer in just minutes so you can check whether you got this question right or not. If you got this right, that's great, but even if you didn't, that's fine as well, because I'm going to show you and teach you how to approach a question like this. So when you are given a problem like this, operations with scientific notation, there are only two things that you need to remember. Now, when you are multiplying these two numbers that are expressed in terms of a times 10 to the power of something, what you do is you pull out these numbers first, multiply them first, and then attach 10 to the whatever power next to it. And then another trick is to, when you are raising a scientific notation number to a certain power, you distribute that power to this number and to the power separately and come up with another scientific notation number. So without further ado, let me show you how to use these two tricks with a real question. Now, I have here 2.21 multiplied by 10 to the power of negative 3 divided by 1.7 multiplied by 10 to the negative 10 to the power of negative 6. And then we are squaring the entire number. Now, as the notation suggests, we are going to deal with the expression that's within the parenthesis first and then deal with the square. So let's not think of square for now. Let's only think of this fraction first. So I have 2.21 times 10 negative 3 divided by 1.7 times 10 negative 6. Now this situation is what we have here, a times b times 10 to the power of m plus n. So what we are going to do is we are going to pull out these two numbers front and divide them first, and then multiply 10 to the power of negative 3 minus 6, because, well, when it's multiplication, you add those powers together. When it's division, you subtract the second one from the first. So, using this rule, from this expression, we came up with this expression. So let's go ahead and simplify. 2.21 divided by 1.7 will give me, if I use my calculator, 1.3, and that is 10 to the power of negative 3 plus 6, which is 10 to the power of 3. So this is, don't forget, just the number that's within the parenthesis. And we are squaring that number, so let's go ahead and put parentheses around those numbers and put square next to it. Now it's time to use this second rule. We are taking this scientific notation number and taking it to the power of something. In this case, what you do is you distribute that power to both a number and to the power of 10. So if I do that, if I distribute power of 2 to both 1.3 and 10 cubed, I get 1.3 squared times 10 to the power of 3 times 2. So if I square 1.3, I get 1.69, and I get 10 to the power of 6. Now, using these two rules, I have come up with my final answer, which is equal to 1.69 times 10 raised to the power of 6. So using these two rules, it was kind of easy and intuitive to process an expression that looks like this and simplify to a neat little expression that looks like the following. Now, if you like this video, please go ahead and hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks in high school and middle school mathematics. Thanks for watching, and I'll come back with more helpful videos later on. Bye!